Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 over 4. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one numerator and one denominator. So first we solve numerator. Numerator is 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, and the denominator is 4. So first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator is 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, and the denominator is 4. So according to the rule, first we solve parentheses. So first we solve parentheses. Inside of the parentheses we have division and multiplication. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So first we solve division, then we solve multiplication. Now 12 divided by 3, they give us 4 multiplied by 2 in denominator 4. 4 times 4, they give us 8, sorry, and denominator is 4. Now 8 divided by 4, they give us 2. So the final answer is 2. Thanks for watching.